sweat-proof summertime makeup. Check it out. Always start with a smooth, flawless foundation. Contour is up next. You want to take your time with your contour and really chisel your face, especially in the summertime, because the sun is God's natural spotlight. So with the spotlight on you, you want your face to be chiseled. So take some extra time with your contour in the summer. Contour all the ungodly areas that we want to hide, especially in the summertime. When contouring the nose, especially women of color, a lot of times we try to make it look like it is completely straight. I like to leave a little ball at the bottom of my nose because we black, our noses are a little bit fuller. It shouldn't be that little tight, tiny nose at the end. Know what I'm saying? Your highlights are important in the summertime because remember, we're under that spotlight. And we want certain areas to glow. Apply your blush. I've chosen like a peachy color here. Just anything that complements your skin tone. In the summertime, I add a little blush to the contour of my nose and to the contour of my forehead, just for some added color. My sweat-proof secret, add setting spray, and before it dries, add your translucent powder. It works amazing. After I've set my face, I add my bronzer. I don't want this to be matte, so I add it after the setting spray. And the eyes are the money shot. I add my eyeshadow after because I want those colors to pop as well, especially under the summer spotlight, y'all. So I keep that summer glow. I apply colors that are complementing to my skin tone. So browns, coppers, golds. If you're lighter complected, you might want to use maybe rose gold. And for my darker sisters, maybe a coffee with some gold flakes. One of my key rules to makeup is symmetry. Always check for symmetry when you're applying your makeup. I'm adding depth to the corner of my eyes. It gives your face dimension. Cap that lid off with some metallic copper. This is one of my absolute favorite looks. It's so classic, and you can always take it up a notch for evening. And to make it sparkle, I'm going in with the lighter gold in the corners. When you're checking your shadow, you want the same amount of color on both sides. We're gonna set these brows off with the light gold. A light highlight under the brows sets those brows off. Once you complete your eyeshadow, I set it with translucent powder. Lashes, lashes, lashes. I always use a hand mirror to apply my lashes because it gives you the perfect view of your lash line. And if you're a woman of a particular age like me, it's a hand mirror and it's magnified. Y'all fabulous over 50s and ageless beauties know what I'm talking about. Absolutely perfect. To mesh your natural lashes and your false lashes flawlessly, add a little mascara. Apply your liner of choice. Mine is always liquid unless I'm going for a smoky eye. Then I use a pencil because it's easy to, smudge it out. Nothing like a sexy pair of lips, and I think it starts with the liner. I use short strokes when lining my lips because you don't want it to look artificial. You want it to actually look like you woke up like this. Apply your particular lip color. Me personally, if I have a lot of shine on my face, I don't want a lot of shine on my lips, so I go matte. And there you have a sweat-proof face for summer. Thanks for watching, and for more tips like these, please subscribe to my channel.